This is Answers to Frequently Asked Questions about the Tax-Free Cash Growth Warehouse, brought to you by FSIC.
This frequently asked question is, what is the biggest policy I can get? The answer really comes down to, how much can you afford? Age and health of the insured are among the most important criteria that determine the cost of insurance and the resulting required premium. The total benefit amount of the policy is also one of the biggest factors. The limit for how much insurance you can buy, or how big of a policy, is determined by a few things. Again, age and health are factors, but if you're young and healthy, say in your 20s, and you live with your parents and don't have to pay rent and living expenses, and you have a decent paying job, you may be able to afford to buy a $2 million policy. But if you earn, say, $24,000 a year and have a net worth of, $1,000, it's probably doubtful that an insurance company will approve a $2 million policy for you. As a general rule, insurance companies use your income and net worth to determine a maximum amount they will approve for a policy. A rule of thumb that the insurance companies look at is a figure equaling 10 times your annual income. That's not a hard and fast rule by any means, but it is a starting point. They also look at your total net worth and ability to pay the premiums. So even if you have an income of $200,000 a year and a net worth of $1 million, but you're mortgaged to the hilt and all your property is promised in surety for loans, it would be quite a stress to try and pay a premium of $2,000 a month. Insurance companies want you to be able to continue and keep your policy. So they don't want you to take on a premium that you won't likely be able to maintain. Circumstances change, and each individual has their particular conditions to deal with. So to determine what the biggest policy is for you, work with your insurance advisor, who will work with the provider and their underwriters to determine all the details and what is the right size policy for you. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be notified as we post new fax answers and other content. And if you haven't already, do yourself a favor and click the link below this video and watch the TFCGW webinar, Become Master of Your Financial World.